Continental Drift can be pretty entertaining to watch. That's not the real purpose of it in a scientific discussion. It helps us interpret things. Sometimes we don't realize how easy it is to misunderstand what appear to be absolutely obvious facts. Try, for example, a situation where you're looking at a fossil. You can be fairly sure the fossil was developed in a tropical region. You find the fossil near the North Pole. That represents an interesting set of interpretations about the climate, but they would probably be incorrect, because if you were to check out the situation, you might find indeed that that particular piece of geography was not at the North Pole when the fossil was developed. It happens that it was closer to the equator. Give or take a few 100 million years, and those continents, awfully important to us, wander around. Imagine the Mediterranean Sea just north of the USA. Or, in the future, how about eliminating it entirely and just placing the Alps in Africa? The images that followed are obviously overclocked. They're much too fast. They show movements of more than 400 million years, and they show them in a few moments. Take note in particular of the broken lines on the graphs. On the images, what they represent are the outer edges of the true continents. In many cases, they're shallow water areas. It depends a lot on sea level, and sea level changes much more rapidly than continent position changes. It can be very disorienting to watch a slide as it morphs. The best way to appreciate what the morphs can offer you in the next few slides would be to pick a spot on the surface of the Earth and follow it as it moves through the millennia. I would suggest the Ural Mountains. This is the range of mountains that separates Europe and Asia. It can be easily found on any current map. Continental